Now our website is starting to look pretty darn good. This little web page here. We've got our bullet points. We've got our quote down here. But now I want to add a link to the page because here on my third bullet point I talk about his work in particle physics, and I say he proposed the parton model. Most people don't know what a parton model is. Do you know what a parton model is? I didn't think so. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a link here that goes to another website where we found a definition of a parton model. So I'm going to skedaddle on over here to Wikipedia. I've already opened Wikipedia to the article on parton, on the parton model. And I want my website to have a link that when you click on it, it comes here. So you can read about parton models. So I'm going to go up to the very top in my browser where I have the web address of this page that I'm currently looking at, and I'm going to right click with my mouse and hit copy. Now I'm going to go back to my website, not to the front page of my website, but to the editing page, and here I am on the my test page, the Richard Feynman page, and I'm going to highlight parton model. Now up here, as you notice, when I highlighted that word, this little link button appeared. It was always there, but it was kind of a ghost button. You couldn't actually click on it. But now that I've highlighted something, I can click on it. And that's the button we click to add a link. So here in the link URL is where I need to paste the web address that I had copied from Wikipedia. So I'm going to right click here and I'm going to hit paste. And there we have it. Now you'll notice here that I accidentally have two HTTP // If that happens, just go ahead and erase the first one. Your web address should always start with HTTP : in case you were wondering. And I am going to insert that into post. And look, we have a link. I'm going to go to my web page. Well, I'm going to update my post first. And then I'm going to go to my web page and I'm going to refresh real quick here. And there we have it. We've got a link. I'm going to try clicking on it and see what happens. There we go. We are on Wikipedia and we're reading about parton model, the parton model. Now, you may have noticed that this web page replaced my website. So if I want to go back to my website, I'll have to go way up here to the browser and hit the back button. You might not want that. You might want it to open up into a new window instead. You might want, when they click on this link, you might want a new browser window to open up, and then they can browse the website in that new browser window. So let me show you how to do that real quick. Just click on the link that you've made. Just click on it once, and then click on the link button again, and it will pop up. And here you can give it a target. Open link in the same window is the default, or open link in a new window. If I hit that and I update my post and I update my page there, then go back to my website and refresh my browser. And now if I go here and click on parton model, it opened it up in its own new window, which is above my website. Isn't that neat? So that can help people so they don't get lost. There's kind of a little bit of a debate as to which one is better, because when it opens up a new window, you can't use the back button to get back to your old page. You have to X out of it over here. Hit the X button. And some people insist that it's better to open a new page in the current window. Some insist that it's better to open up a new window. You just do what you want. And that's how you create a link. One little note, you don't have to link to an external web page. You can actually, I could go over here to resources, click on resources, get the web address of resources here, copy that, and then put that in my link instead. of an external web page. You can link internally or externally, just as easy. It's the exact same process.